This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox promo codes. First, ensure you are logged into your Roblox account on a web browser, not the app. Then, navigate directly to the Roblox promo code redemption page. You can easily find this page by performing a quick search online, looking for the official Roblox link. This ensures you are in the correct place to begin the redemption process. Finding valid promo codes is the next step to unlocking free items. Look for official Roblox announcements on platforms like Twitter, YouTube, or their Discord server. These channels are the primary source for new code releases. Sometimes, special in-game events or collaborations will also provide unique codes. Always verify the source to ensure the code is legitimate and still active before attempting to redeem it. Once you are on the official redemption page, you will easily spot a prominent white text box clearly labeled "Enter your code." Carefully type or paste your valid promo code into this specific designated field. It is absolutely crucial to double-check for any typos, incorrect capitalization, or accidental extra spaces, as these common errors will prevent successful redemption. Accuracy in entering your code ensures it will be recognized and processed correctly by the system. After carefully entering your promo code, simply click the vibrant green Redeem button positioned directly below the text box. If the code is valid and still active, you will see a confirmation message indicating a successful redemption. The new item will then automatically be added to your Roblox account inventory, ready for you to enjoy. Look for your new gear or clothing under the appropriate category.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.